We are in defense, we are in motor. So there are some of the businesses what we have. If you look at the footprint of steel itself, we are now, predominantly in India, US and Italy, 35 plus million capacity, going to grow 70 plus in the coming years. This is what it is, today's subject is going to be. The world is moving towards the AI. This is the data which has been published in US. In next 6 to 7 decades, most of the organizations are moving towards AI using 7 to 8 predominant areas, starting from the wearables. The wearable could be of having a QR code which you maybe place somewhere, or having a band on your wrist, or maybe carrying a card. The card will start monitoring you, where you are moving, how you are moving, are you entering into the no-go areas. Then followed by the other interventions like virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, and then most of the organizations have started using the safety management tools. Could be related to the Genpact, Gensuit, Enablon, MySetu, SAP. So this is what the world is moving towards, and it is expected that next 6 to 7 decades, a lot of work is going to happen in this. And what you are seeing today, you are going to see a lot of change in coming years. Now, the entire ecosystem of the startups, the entire world. If you look at the global level, there are thousands of startups are there in safety field. Typically, they are working on to create safer workplaces. Out of that, one company has published that 1800 top successful startups, safety startups, which they pulled, and predominantly they are in US, Europe, Australia, and Middle East, and a couple of them at India as well. Where they are working, basically they are working on the training front, most of the thing. Why it is important that, you see, typically what happens that the employee, when he enters the premises without having any training baggage, because once you pass out from the college, you never ever thought about the safety. But it is expected that एक बार कंपनी के अंदर आ गया, फिर लोग समझता है कि उसको सब कुछ मालूम है, बट ये जरूरी नहीं है. और मैक्स टू मैक्स हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि 2 दिन के 1 दिन का ट्रेनिंग देगा, जीईटी होगा तो 100 डेज का प्लान रहता है, बट कुछ ही दिन में उसको परमिट टू वर्क का परमिशन दे देता है कि ही इज ऑथराइज्ड टू इशू द परमिट विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कंप्लीट hazard and risk of the particular area. तो उसी के लिए this particular this
fast intervening in industrial safety. So our first session is on AI in industrial safety, where we've got list of powerful speakers who are going to talk about AI. Our second session is on emergency response or trauma management in an industrial setup. मैं एग्जांपल छोटा सा दूंगा. वर्क एट हाइट से एक सॉल्व हो जाता है. आपको सबको पता है कि वर्क एट हाइट इज अ रियल कंसर्न, एंड उसमें जब आदमी या कोई वर्कर हमारा गिरते हैं तो वी हैव टू स्टार्ट रेस्क्यूइंग देम. तो एक कारखाने में वर्क एट हाइट से एक कामगार गिरते हैं, एंड सभी लोग तुरंत ही आके उसको सुधारने की कोशिश करते हैं, पानी देने की कोशिश करते हैं, एंड हिज कंडीशन वर्सन्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज इन दिस सिचुएशन ट्रॉमा मैनेजमेंट को अलग तरीके से हैंडल करना है. वी हैव टू मेक हिम से there is a specific way how a person who is suffering from work at height arrest has to be managed. So the second session is on trauma management in industrial safety, where experts will talk about how such trauma management has to be managed. That is by BAPS Hospital and Sansthan, one of our leading Sansthan, which is doing very good groundbreaking work. पे आगे बढ़ा सकती है. This is in 1 second what I could get from my phone. Although I am not an expert on Gita shlokas and its verse, but this is what AI can help. And आज we all know कि if we don't embrace AI, we will be really not there in the world. Today, AI has intervened in our daily lives. AI has